What's good, YouTube? Anthony Lyons, AO Designs, back with another video. Today we have a special one, 2015 F-150. We're gonna put in a radio, but not just a normal radio. We're gonna put in one of these really nice 10-inch. Here, let's get this out the way. There we go. 10-inch screen by JVC. You see there the model number. We're gonna put this bad boy in there with all the bells and whistles that he can still use all of his functions here on the steering wheel, make it look real pretty. And at the end of this video, I have a surprise for y'all. This is a little treat, nothing too much. We in San Diego for the next few months. Let's get it. All right, y'all, let me show you how I'm gonna start this 10-inch screen project on the F-150. This is again is a 2015. So to start, I'm gonna take this radio out, the factory radio out. You have to pop off this grill. As you can see, I did use a plastic pry tool, pop the grill off, and then there are two screws back here on the left and right. Should I say two bolts? You can use a 7mm or a 9 32nds, whichever one you got. Then you got to pop this top off. There's gonna be two more screws, same 7mm or 9 32nds, and then from there it's easy to pop out. So let me get started on this. And once you get the top part off, and just get those two screws right here off, then you have, this is what you're left with. You just pop the rest are all clips. So you just pop the piece out, and then now you have your little monitor and your CD player down below. So then you can take these out and pop that out as you need to. I got all the stuff that is in the house that we need to wire up. So let me get to that so I can show you everything that is going in here. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so here are the parts I need to get this radio in there. We got the Maestro RR. This will link up and speak to the data within the truck so it can get all the information and stuff it needs to go down to the truck. And then we have the kit, Maestro kit MFT1. That's kit MFT1. This is going to have your dash kit unit to put the radio in, and also all the goodies in here. So let me bust everything out, get everything download. You have to actually go on your computer and download some software stuff, flash this module. So I'm gonna do that now, and then we'll get this thing back in the car. So stay tuned, or the truck, should I say. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, let me show you kind of the steps I like to take. As you can see, I was in the house and I went through all my wires inside the house first. I flashed the unit. That's this module right here. So I flashed it on the computer so it can talk to the car. You know, you put in the year, make, and model, you go through all the steps, flash the unit. Then I come in and I start running all my wires. So we have all these harnesses that have to be hooked up to various things. They're all plug and play, so that's cool. Antenna adapter, all that good stuff. There's also USB ports that come with this kit. So I run all that. This bracket's got to come out, so I gotta get this thing out. It's kind of a pain, but that's gonna have to come out. Ran my microphone up here for the Bluetooth. But yeah, just kind of, you know, look ahead from A to Z. Start with A, end with Z, and then the next, once I get this bracket out, I can plug the radio in, see what make sure everything works, functions before I actually mount it all. And then I'll put the brackets on the radio and get it installed. So we're almost there, almost to the finish line. So stay with me. Remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Again, this is the F-150 build or radio, but I got a whole lot more coming. Got some really cool stuff this year. Again, working on my Tundra is going to be really exciting. And then just have some fun this year, you know. Maybe show you guys some of the nightlife here in sunny San Diego and the beach life. It's a lot of fun, so stay tuned. And there you have it, YouTube. JVC 10-inch screen, all mounted. All the controls work down here. You got your volume control, works. You also have everything filters through here. Shoot, let me show y'all. You got your climate controls, all the goodies, all the perks, everything that goes with the Maestro unit. It's all behind the dash. You have the antenna up there for the nav. You have your Bluetooth microphone. Everything came out good. So stay tuned for the surprise I got y'all. Next, you're gonna see some video footage from the Sycuan Casino car show. Some lowriders, some pretty kick-ass cars. Make sure you click like, share, subscribe. This is Anti-Lions AL Design, San Diego. We are getting it. I got much more coming, so stay tuned.
Row beats. Roro Beats.